simpleng pangarap lang na makapagpatayo ng maliit na ramen shop ngayon, isa na itong inspirasyon sa mga local entrepreneurs at certified tambayan na ng mga ramen lovers. Makimura Ramen has officially opened its 12th branch right here in the Infinity in Angeles City.
Good news po everyone, mga ramen lovers dyan. Nagbukas na po ang aming bagong branch, our 12th branch here in Infinity Angeles. Please do visit us. Our operating hours is from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. Bagong hangout or bagong spot to enjoy your favorite ramen.
2018, nagsimula ang simpleng ramen spot sa Barangay Balibago, pinipilahan at tinatangkilik ng mga Kapampangan. In short, aprobado ng mga kabalen dahil sa abot kayang presyo at pasok sa metikulosong panlasa natin.
It's super humbling and super overwhelming, and hindi naman namin ito magagawa kung hindi dahil sa aming mga loyal customers and syempre sa aming mga hardworking na mga employees. So I would like to say thank you to everyone who appreciates what we do, our commitment to continue to provide affordable and delicious ramen, and syempre we continue to innovate para hindi lang yung mga old favorites, no, we are introducing new favorites para naman hindi kayo magsawa sa amin.
Hindi lang ito basta ramen, it's homegrown, proudly Pampanga made, and driven by passion. One of their biggest achievements so far, a brand new commissary building that helps maintain the consistency of their products across all branches.
Yes, consistency is the key, and of course, innovation. No? Right now, we have a new built commissary building that allows us to operate our restaurants and provide consistent quality. Kahit na nga nagtataasan ng presyo, kahit nagtataasan ng pasahod, no, we still want to commit to provide affordable quality ingredients sa lahat ng aming ramen lovers.
From Pampanga to Baguio, Tarlac, Subic, North EDSA, and hopefully to the South soon, Makimura Ramen's mission is clear: to bring quality and affordable ramen to every Filipino table. This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.